Hi guys, welcome back to my another makeup tutorial video. So today's look is we're gonna do a golden brown summer look. So yesterday I posted a video on my YouTube channel, my main one, where I show you guys the preview for my upcoming singing cover videos. So I'm gonna be an upcoming cover artist, meaning an artist who's a singer but singing songs from famous artists. Like, I've never done any of these singing cover videos before. I've been watching it like several times on social media where people like me who are singers, well, some people, whether they can sing or not, they do singing cover videos, so that's cool though. It's gonna be the biggest dream come true because I've been waiting for doing this because I love listening to songs, singing them all over again, especially when it comes to like if we want to do a preview and do a practice video or just doing a practice outside of social media to do singing covers. I already posted that last night, so let me know in the comments which of these two songs I sang for a sneak peek for my upcoming singing covers you want me to do. I'm going to try my best to do some more of my originals because I'm thinking about dropping one more extended play before I can drop an album between 2028 through 2029. And by the way, I'm going to go with this palette. And the first color I'm going to go with is this Gold Rush color right there. I love this color too, but I may not use it today or just put a little bit. I'm going to tell you exactly the real reason why I said I'm going to drop an album between 2028 and 2029. That's because I'm not done with college yet, and that's too hard because I got to focus on school, then doing my favorite hobbies of all the time in the world. Ever since I was little, you know what? I'm going to put a little bit of this brown color because I just want to make sure I showed the gold color as well. Just gonna make sure I put a little bit just to make sure I see the gold color and not just that kind of that goldish brownish color, however you want to call it. And let's say if my prediction to drop my first original studio album between 2028 and 2029 does not work because of how I'm doing with my music and my other stuff, especially my singing covers, I may have to postpone to between 2029 and 2030, which I did not want to wait that longer. But it's okay though. We'll see how time flies. By the way, I'm gonna go with this color. It's like olive, goldish, brownish color right there. Alright, I'm gonna go with one more color. It's gonna take this brown color. By the way, I'm going to a photography studio so I could do some poses. Let's say if I want to perform at a show or a concert, at least I could do that as well. So I'm gonna finish off with the eyeliner. While I'm at the photography studio, I'm gonna do some concert poses. Let's say I'm gonna pretend like I'm performing at a show so I can show you guys that I became a singer. By the way, I say for tomorrow's look, I want to just go with a dark blue look. So I'm gonna do like I'm not sure however I call it, because for some reason back in February I already did a midnight blue look, but now I just wanted to call it a dark blue look and get sparkly up. Also, I'm going back to the photography studio tomorrow so I could do some poses of me doing magic. So I could do that because I love magic and because I love sparkles, because why not? I'll get sparkly up tomorrow. By the way, come back for the final eye look. I'm going to do the mascara on the bottom lashes and put on these lashes again, these fake eyelashes that I'm obsessed with, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is the final eye look. Looks so cool though. Now for the final touches, I'm going to go with this brown lipstick right here. Okay, I'm gonna go with this Nude Lust 920 lipstick from Maybelline. It's like a beige color. And lastly, I'm gonna do Tropical Coral 444 lipstick from L'Oreal. Just to have a perfect color of my lips. Okay, this is the final makeup look, so stay tuned for the hair and the outfit reveal. Okay guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love it though. Yay! Okay, so I'm wearing a straight hair ponytail. And I'm wearing side bangs again, but this time I just leave it fluffy. But that's cool though. I'm wearing this black top that I have since 2021 that I went for my holiday concert at my high school. And the full outfit. Alright, so wearing this black leggings and rose gold strap high heel sandals. It's good though. Yay! By the way, my bangs, I just brushed it. It went wrong. I'm not sure why. I thought it's gonna stay closed, but it's a little wide open, so just kindly ignore that because I'm not sure why though. Alright guys, so thank you all for watching today's makeup tutorial video, this golden brown look. If you want to see more of these videos from me, give this video a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. So stay tuned for my upcoming singing covers, my new virtual music, vlogs, my upcoming skits, and much more from me. Alright, so make sure to subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!